Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome in class 9. Today our chapter is introduction to computer and the topic is classification of computer. In this topic we learn computer differ based on their data processing abilities. They are classified into three categories according to purpose, according to function, and according to size and capacity. This is the block diagram of classification of computer. Classification of computer: general purpose and special purpose. A general purpose computer is one that can store different program and has a very wide area of application. The versatility of general purpose computer is limited by human imagination. These computers are used for different purposes like inventory control, record keeping, and counting. We can say that a general purpose computer is used for different programs for different function. It can be used to do a lot of things. A special purpose computer is designed for a special function only. It is usually made to do one thing only. It cannot be used to surf the internet or play games. These are the general purpose computer. Special purpose computer. Special purpose computer is designed to perform specific tasks. Program or instruction set is permanently stored in such a machine. Although it lacks versatility, it performs its single task quickly and efficiently. The special purpose computers are used in the area like large industries to control processor, desktop publishing, air traffic control, ECG and CCG tests, X-ray, artificial intelligence, and reports. And we can say that a special purpose computer designed to be task specific, and most of the time their job is to solve one particular problem. They are also known as dedicated computers because they are dedicated to perform a single task over and over again. These are the special purpose computers. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum student of class 9. Our topic is classification of computer. This is the first chapter, introduction to computer. In this topic we learn about the classification of computer according to function. According to function, this is the block diagram of classification of computer according to function: digital computer, analog computer, and hybrid computer. Digital computer. A digital computer is the one that directly counts a number or digit that represent numbers, letters, or other symbol. The general purpose computer are usually digital computer. This is the second definition of digital computer. Digital computer, they process digital data only which is in form of zeros and ones, or on and off. Zeros and one means the machine language. They can process numerical, alphabetical, and alphanumerical data which must first be converted to digital form. They are used in scientific and industrial application. For example, mainframe computer, mini computer, supercomputer, microprocessor, and laptops. These are the digital computers pictures. Analog computer. Analog computer is a computer which is used to process analog data. Analog computers store data in a continuous form of physical quantities and perform calculation with the help of measure. It is quite difficult or quite a different form. The digital computer which make use of symbolic number to represent results. And we can also say that an analog computer is one that measure physical values such as temperature or pressure that fall along a continuous scale. For example, a service station petrol pump contain an analog process that convert full flow measurement into quantity and price value. It is also measure an electric current, speed, weight, etc. These are the analog computer. Hybrid computer are computer that exhibit feature of analog computer and digital computer. The digital computer or digital component normally serve as the controller and provide logical and numerical operation, while the analog computer often serves as a solve of differential equation and other mathematically complex equation. And we can say that the computer combines the analog and digital computer capability in the same computer system. The capability is most significant where the digital processing of data control in analog form is desirable. They are usually found in science laboratories as a controlling device in an industrial process. These are the hybrid computers. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, student of class 9. Today our chapter is Introduction to Computer, and the topic is classification of computer. Today our topic is in the classification of computer according to size and capacity. According to size and capacity, this is the block diagram of classification of computer in the size of capacity: supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, and microcomputer. Supercomputer is the most powerful and most expensive computer as well as the fastest one. Supercomputer has limited use because of high price or a limited market. Supercomputer is used where primary government and the agencies and the scientific laboratories and large corporations. These are the supercomputers. Mainframe computer are less powerful, not so fast, and are less expensive than supercomputer. Mainframe computer are generally found in computer room where environmental factors such as temperature, highly and humidity and dust are closely monitored. Mainframe may have over 100 MB for main storage. Processing speed is measured in nanosecond or picosecond. Mainframe computer use of mainframe computer, e-business and e-commerce, banking, hospital, healthcare, the military and academy and research, commercial and industrial. These are the mainframe computers. Mini computers are used for scientific and engineering computation, business transaction and processing, file handling and database management, and are often now referred to as small as mid-size service. Mini computers are small than the mainframe computer. Mini computers are small general purpose system. They are usually more powerful and expensive as compared to a micro. The mini computers are very popular in time sharing requirement. In time sharing requirement, user can utilize a single computer at the same time by attaching terminal to it. They are known as minis. Mini computer uses scientific and engineering, business transaction processing, file handling and database management. These are the mini computers. Microcomputer is the smallest and less expensive than any type of computer. Sometimes it is known as personal computer, PC. Microcomputers are home computer, desktop computer, personal computer and laptop computer are all example of microcomputer. These are the microcomputers pictures. Thank you.